The sun rises over Flufflemarsh Valley, where candy-colored clouds bounce gently above grassy fields. Bouncy Bunny hops excitedly across the flower-sprinkled hills, calling out to her friends. Rainbow jelly bean bushes, bubble trees, and smiling butterflies dot the vibrant valley. Introduces Bouncy's cheerful world and sets the tone for a magical, imaginative story. Bouncy meets up with Curly Fox, Tilly Toad, Pip the Puff Mouse, and Dotty Duck for their morning giggle game. All 5 friends are playing tag around a giant glowing stump that rains colorful sprinkles when laughed under. The stump sparkles and critters pop up from mushroom houses in the background. Establishes a close-knit group of friends and their joyful routines. A sudden gust sends a rainbow-colored cloud across the sky, landing with a splat nearby. Bouncy pauses mid-hop while the others stare wide-eyed at the colorful goo dripping down a candy cane tree. The once green grass is now streaked with swirling rainbow slime. Introduces a mystery and kicks off the adventure. Something magical and messy has happened. Curly Fox and Dotty Duck yell, "It's a rainbow monster," as they run in circles, leaving swirl trails. Bouncy, Tilly, and Pip try to calm them, looking more curious than scared. Visuals include pastel panic, critters with exaggerated expressions, and rainbow footprints leading into the woods. Sparks curiosity and creates a light conflict that needs solving. Bouncy bravely follows the rainbow trail into the swirlberry woods, bouncing from stump to stump. Bouncy Bunny enters alone, while colorful fox swirls around glowing trees. Trees with dripping jelly leaves, berry-shaped lanterns, and shimmering mist fill the scene. Builds suspense while showing Bouncy's courage and determination. A loud achoo shakes the branches as a new cloud of color explodes nearby. Bouncy ducks as a sneeze paints the air in flying rainbow confetti. Sparkle sneeze splashes the trees, rocks, and even her ears with neon specks. Introduces a mysterious character through action. Something unusual but not scary is happening. Behind a swirlberry bush, Bouncy finds Tumbleblob, a fuzzy rainbow creature with nervous eyes and huge sneezy cheeks. Bouncy and Tumbleblob are together in this intimate, funny moment. Tumbleblob has a soft, round rainbow body, tiny horns, and fuzzy paws with splatter paint on them. Introduces Tumbleblob as gentle and shy, not a monster, just misunderstood. Tumbleblob sniffles, explaining that he can't help sneezing color when he gets nervous. Bouncy Bunny pats his paw gently, smiling warmly. Floating color bubbles show how he accidentally splashed the valley. Reveals a misunderstanding he never meant to scare anyone. Bouncy hops up excitedly and suggests they invite the others to play with the colors instead. Tumbleblob smiles shyly, already starting to glow with happy hues. Painty sparkles float around as Bouncy imagines animals playing with buckets and balloons of color. Transitions the story from fear to fun. Bouncy's kindness sparks the solution. Bouncy and Tumbleblob parade through town with color balloons, handing out invites to the splatter and snack party. Bouncy, Tumbleblob, and Dotty, Curly, Tilly, and Pip receiving the invites. Rainbow flags flap, and tiny critters peek out windows with curiosity. Builds excitement as the community prepares for the big celebration. Everyone helps set up tables of glowing paint pies and sprinkle fountains. All 5 friends plus Tumbleblob work together, splashing, laughing, and painting. Paintbrush trees, putting balloon arches, and neon napkins dance in the breeze. Shows teamwork and inclusion. Everyone now accepts Tumble Blob and helps. The party kicks off with everyone jumping on paint puddles and playing rainbow tag. Tumble Blob sneezes glitter clouds on purpose. Now everyone cheers. Friends slide down frosting hills and bounce through glowing rings. Reinforces the joy of friendship and how differences can bring fun. Everyone gathers around candy stone tables for frosted carrot cakes and fizzy berry juice. Bouncy, Tumble Blob, and the whole crew wear painted party hats with colorful paw prints. Rainbow clouds float overhead, raining gentle sprinkles like glittery snow. A heartwarming moment that bonds everyone together. The conflict is fully resolved. Curly Fox hugs Tumble Blob and laughs. You're not scary at all, you're just sneezy. The group poses for a portrait as colored butterflies swirl around it. A magic camera balloon floats above, snapping a sparkling group photo. Sends the story's message clearly. Understanding and kindness lead to friendship. As the sky turns cotton candy orange, Bouncy and Tumble Blob sit on a jelly bean hill watching the sunset. All friends wave goodbye as fireflies spell friends in the air. A final shot of the valley sparkling with leftover colors and smiling critters wraps up the story with warmth, leaving viewers with a lasting, happy feeling. Sometimes, friends look different, or sneeze rainbows, but that doesn't mean we should be afraid. Bouncy Bunny didn't run away, she got curious, listened kindly, and made a brand new friend. When we take time to understand someone new, we find that being different is actually what makes playtime even more fun. So remember, Little Hop Star's friendship begins with a smile, grows with kindness, and shines brightest when we all play together.
Thanks for watching, kids. If you enjoyed the adventure, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and click the bell icon to never miss a new story. See you next time.